That's what parallel, so those two lines will never intersect, no matter how far they go and go and go, they're never gonna intersect. And then on all the problems that you see, there's an additional line, right? And so is that one going in the same direction or opposite direction? Opposite direction. This is called a transversal line, okay? A transversal line. Meaning it cuts through both of the parallel lines, okay? And so that's what's happening on these pictures on every single one, okay? And we gotta talk about the angles within the pictures, okay? So the first is what? The first is corresponding, okay? So corresponding, okay? And look at me. Corresponding is when, so essentially we have 8 angles on all of these, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On all 4 of these like corners. Does that make sense of what I'm trying to say? Okay? Corresponding is when like if you have the top left corner, which is what number? No. Left.
Oh, left one.
1. It matches up with on like this 4 goes together and then this 4 goes together. So what does 1 match up with on the second box's location? 5. Okay, so take a second and look at that. Okay, 1 and 5 are corresponding. Okay, 2 matches up with what then? 6. Okay, 3 matches up with 7, and 4 matches up with
8.
that means corresponding. Okay, so the corresponding piece. Okay, so that's the corresponding part. Okay, the next one is alt interior. Okay, so alt interior, first of all, in order to be interior, it means it has to be on the inside. So it has to be in here on the inside of these squares. Alternate means on opposite sides of that transversal line. So that's the line that cut through both. So we could look like, and if we're doing this 1 through 8, 3 and 6 are on opposite sides of this transversal line. So this one and this one are alt interiors. Okay, they are on the inside of the lines and they are on opposite sides of the transversal line. Okay, these are also alt interior. Okay, so there's only 2 alt interiors. And if we're doing the 1 through 8, you can kind of do yourself this if you make notes. Okay, 3 and 6. Angles 3 and 6 are alt interiors, and angles 4 and 5 are alt interiors. Okay, if we're doing that 1 through 5 method, or 1 through 8, okay? They're gonna be on the inside and opposite sides of the line. Okay, alt exterior. Okay, well, let's use some common sense. If this is interior, then where's the exterior?
Outside.
On the outside. Okay, so alt exterior would be 1, and it would have to be on the opposite side of the transversal line and on the outside. So is that going to be 7 or 8? Okay, it's got to be on the opposite side of the transversal and on the outside. So is it going to be 7 or 8?
8.
It's going to be 8. Okay, 1 and 8 are alt exterior. So 1 and 8 are alt exterior. Okay, and 2 goes with who? Then for alt exterior.
7.
2 and 7 go for alt exterior. Okay, so like right here goes with this one. Okay, and this one goes with this one. Okay, a same side interior. Okay, same side interior means they're on the same side, obviously, right? And then on the inside. Okay, so what numbers are those going to be? Same side interior.
On the same side.
On the same side.
1, 5, no wait, 1, 3, 5, 7.
Close. Okay, but interior means within this block on the inside.
So 5, 7.
3, 5 would be one. What would be the other one?
4, 6.
4, 6. Okay, so 3, 5, and 4, 6 for same side interior. Okay, that'd be 3, 5, and 4, 6. And then we got one more. Okay, vertical angles. Okay, so vertical. And there's quite a few of them. Okay, so vertical. Okay, are going to be across from each other. Okay, by that I mean, and I'll help you with the first one, like this. This is a vertical. This one is on the opposite corner as the one. Okay, so if we're looking at the numbers, that's 2 and 3 are vertical. Okay, what would 1 match up with? What would 1 match up with?
4.
1 and 4. Who else is a vertical angle?
2 and 3.
5 and 8. Who else?
6 and 7.
6 and 7. Okay, and then so we got 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 8, 6, 7. Okay, anything that's across from each other. Okay, so like this one goes with this one. Okay, this one goes with this one. And this one goes with this one. Okay, so those are our 5 types. Okay, essentially though, you have, are they both on the inside? Are they both on the outside? Or do you have one in and one out? Because that's going to help you kind of eliminate some answer options. Okay, so let's look at number 1. Look.
This one might be in the ether.
Okay, is X, let's start with X. Is X on the inside or the outside? X is on the outside. What about the Y?
Outside.
It's also on the outside. So it has to be an exterior, okay, because they're both exterior. Is there more than one option for exterior? No, there's not. Okay, so also with that, this is the transversal. Are they on alternate sides? Are they on opposite sides of that purple line?
Yeah.
Yes, so these are alt exterior. Okay, or you could say AE if you really wanted to shorten it. Okay. Okay, look at 3. Where is Y?
Outside.
It's on the outside. What about X? Also outside. So these have to be what? Alt exterior. Okay. Again, this is the transversal. We have one on one side, one on the other side. So this is alt exterior. Okay, or you could say AE. Jesus, what did I not mix up very good? Okay, 5. Where is X? Outside. Where is Y? Outside. Are they on opposite sides of the transversal? Yes. Okay, so this is going to be AE or alt exterior.
Wait, is that what that's A again?
Mm-hmm. Okay, 7.
I gotta go.
Your friend. Just leave. Nobody's going to know if you take a half day. Okay, 7. You got X is on the inside or outside? Inside. What about the Y? It's also inside. Okay, so we're looking for something interior. So what are our answer options? Alternate or same side interior. Okay, so look at the transversal, which is the one that's cut down. Okay, are they on the same side of the transversal or opposite sides of the transversal? Opposite. So this is going to be an alt interior. So what could you put to shorthand it? AI. Okay. You can also put alt interior. I don't care. I prefer the longer one, but I'll know what you guys mean. Okay, look at number 9. Is X on the inside or outside? It is on the outside. What about the Y? Inside. So we have one inside and one outside. Okay, so our options are then corresponding or vertical. You done just said both answer options. I only gave you two.
It's corresponding.
Corresponding,
You finally answered line there.
it's vertical.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, so if you remember corresponding, it would be like,
On the same side?
it would be on the same side, and it would be like, so you have one inside, one outside on the same side. So like, right here would be a corresponding, and right here would be a corresponding. It would like match up, like, so this is gonna be a vertical. So what could you use to shorthand that?
A V.
Just a V, okay, it would be fine. Okay, look at 11. Is the X on the inside or outside?
Outside.
Outside, what about the Y?
Inside.
Inside, so that's one in, one out. Okay, so what are our answer options? One in, one out, so it can't be like interior or exterior.
Corresponding.
Corresponding is one option,
Vertical.
and vertical would be the other option. Okay, which one is it?
Corresponding.
It is corresponding. Why? How do we know that?
They're on the same side.
They're on the same side. Okay, so this is going to be a corresponding.
You can just write C.
Yep. Okay, 13. Where is the X? Inside. What about the Y?
Inside.
Inside. So they're both inside. So what are our two options?
Corresponding.
No. Same side interior.
Same side interior,
Alternate interior.
alternate interior. So those are on the interior. Okay, inside.
It's same-
Okay, and so is it on the same side of the transversal or opposite sides?
Same side.
Same side, so we can say SS. Okay, 15, where's the X?
Outside.
Exterior, where's the Y?
Outside.
Exterior also. Okay, so they're both exterior, so what are our answer options?
A. Alternate.
There's only one exterior, correct?
Alternate.
Yeah, so it's gonna be all exterior.
So A.
Okay, 17, where is the X?
Outside.
Outside.
So exterior, where's the Y?
Inside.
Inside, so we got one inside, one outside, so what are our two answer options? Corresponding or vertical? Okay, so which one are they?
Vertical.
They're vertical. Okay, they're across from each other. Okay, 19. Where's the X?
Inside.
Interior, where's the Y?
Inside.
Interior. So what are our two interior options?
Alternative or the same side?
Alternative or same side? So we're on the opposite sides of that line or same sides of the line? Opposite, so it's gonna be an alt interior. Hey, you guys got 10 to do on your own. Go through and get your 10 done, and then you're done for today.